In this exercise, we will use a QGIS plugin to transform our EPANET layout into a Google Earth file that anyone can work with. In EPANET, make sure that you have UTM coordinates set by going to View Dimensions. Go to File, Export, Network to export the network as an INP file. In QGIS, you should have installed the Import EPANET INP Files plugin during exercise 9.3. Review the installation process there if needed. Go to Plugins, Import EPANET INP Files, Import EPANET Input File. Navigate to the INP file you created in the previous step. In the dialog box that opens, we need to select the appropriate projection. In the filter box, type UTM Zone 34 North, since UTM Zone 34P, which covers this area of Chad, is in the Northern Hemisphere. And then expand the sections under predefined coordinate reference systems. There, we find a projection called WGS84/UTM Zone 34 North, and select it. When the layers load, go to the Pipes layer and click Zoom to Layer. Click on the Export KMZ icon. If the icon is missing, ensure that you have installed the KML Tools plugin. Again, this was done in exercise 9.3. Select the layer containing the pipes as the input layer. Select Diameter as the name/label field. Scroll down to Output KMZ file, click on the three dots, select Save to a file, and choose a file name and destination folder. Click Run. Open the KMZ file to see the results and check that the pipes are where they should be. Always include clear screen captures of all pipe layouts in your report. If the report is ever separated from the files, these visuals will provide a valuable reference. You can adjust the appearance in Google Earth and remove the decimal places by editing the labels in QGIS.